In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of the Perplexity AI Pro feature, particularly its social aspect. This tool can be a fantastic asset for staying on top of current trends in TV shows and movies, and I'll guide you through every step to get you started smoothly. To begin, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Simply type in Perplexity AI into the search bar. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official Perplexity website. It should be one of the first links that pop up. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate to the Perplexity AI homepage. Now that you're on the Perplexity website, you're ready to make your first prompt. This is where the magic will start to happen. In the prompt box, you might try entering something like, "What TV shows or movies are people hyped for this month?" This question will enable the AI to tap into the current buzz around entertainment trends. Next, direct your attention to the globe icon located within the user interface. Clicking this icon brings up several options, which customize the AI's information sources. Here's a crucial step. You'll want to disable all other options except for the social one. By doing this, you'll be able to focus the AI's responses on social media trends and conversations, which are often the most dynamic and timely sources of information. Once you've customized the options to your liking, it's time for the final action. Click the Submit button. This will send your prompt through Perplexity AI's sophisticated algorithms, delivering a result that synthesizes data from a vast array of social media platforms and online conversations. With this setup, you'll receive insights that are not just based on static data, but are alive with the latest social media chatter. You might find out, for instance, which upcoming Netflix series is dominating Twitter conversations or which blockbuster film has everyone buzzing on Instagram. That's it. You've successfully navigated the Perplexity AI Pro feature with a focus on social insights. Not only did you learn how to access and configure Perplexity AI, but you also gained the capability to stay ahead of entertainment trends through a cutting-edge AI platform. With each query, your understanding of the social landscape grows, keeping you informed and engaged with current pop culture phenomena. I hope this tutorial has equipped you with the knowledge to explore more on Perplexity AI on your own and leverage its powerful social feature to fuel your explorations into what's trending. As a final tip, don't hesitate to tweak your prompts and settings over time to get even more precise data fitting your specific interests. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more insights into the digital world.